Namaskar. Today we are going to learn about
Mishra Jati 7 bits. Today I will show you some usage of Mishra Jati in footwork.
Takadiga takite, takadiga takite. Takadiga takite. Flat hill, hill, brush, flat hill, hill. Then flat hill, hill, brush, flat hill, hill. First we are starting with our right foot, then with our left foot. Takadiga takite. Takadiga takite. Another variation of sevens or Mishra, that is Takadimi takite. Takadimi takite. Flat hill, slant hill, flat hill, hill. Then from left, flat hill, slant hill, flat hill, hill. Now do it together. Takadimi takite, takadimi takite, takadimi takite, takadimi takite. We also do this pattern using the vani. Takaghene takite, takaghene takite. Takaghene takite, takaghene takite, takaghene takite, takaghene takite.
That's all for today. If you have any queries regarding the class, please feel free to do so in the comment section. Also, for detailed online and offline class, you can mail me. You can find my mail address in the description box below. See you in the next class. Till then, practice hard, practice properly. Happy dancing. Namaskar.